Hi guys, wish you all a very pleasant and great evening. Myself Rahul Bhatia, the founder and director of PHR Restaurant Consultant and Management. As you are well aware, uh, we are an award-winning restaurant consultation company, right? Doing projects, uh, completed 100 plus restaurant projects on a pan-India level, right? Our company has been awarded twice on an India level, right, for the best restaurant consultation as well as hospitality consultation works, right? So I'm also an author, right, of a listed book, How to Run a Successful Restaurant Business, right? So we provide complete turnkey end-to-end consultations for the setups of the restaurants, hotels, resorts, wellness center, QSR, cafes, uh, pizzeria shops, yeah, salad bars, right? So anything in the F&B sector, right? We our company can do the fabulous work to get it established for you. Correct. So I'm once again back with a very powerful topic which everyone asks me, right? And our company has also started the services in that regards, right? How to start your own franchisee business, right? How you can create your own franchisee for your own restaurant brands, right? Many people ask me, I have one restaurant, how I can scale this to two? How can I make it to 10? It's very important, guys, because future of the restaurant industry, right? So it's about how you can grow your business, and very good medium of growing this business is through franchising, right? So you can definitely get in touch with our team if you are planning to franchise your own restaurant, right? You want the system, process, protocols. There are two part of it. One is the franchisor and second is the franchisee. Today, I'm going to cover the part of a franchisor. For example, you own one restaurant brand, maybe your restaurant brand name is Apple, right? And you want to spread that restaurant brand to different parts of India, correct? That's your dream, right? So, what all protocols do you need to do? What all systems you need to follow, right? To take that thing into the multiples, right? See, we all comes from the business background, right? And myself educated into management field also, so we know what it takes to take the business to the next level, right? So you can take our consultations, so we can handle you to take your business to the next level through the proper formats, through the proper routes, so that you can scale your one restaurant into multiple restaurant brand, right? And achieve a dream, right? And make a big name in your industry. Okay. So first fundamental points whenever you think about expanding your single restaurant into the chains is you need to make, first of all, the first fundamental is your SOPs. Your SOPs has to be well drafted, right? It starts to well documented, so you understand your processes well, right? People don't make the SOPs, people don't make the formats, then they fail, because unless and until you don't allow someone to replicate it, you can't grow. So first fundamental point is, there are many points, video will become very long, but still I'm giving you the limelights, right? And then if you are serious, you can consult my team. We are available 24 by 7 to help you out to scale your restaurant from 1 to 100, right? That's our commitment. So second fundamental point, being as a franchisor, that's a restaurant owner, right? You should have your complete recipe manuals ready. Your recipe is your success. Basically, it's a success mantra. It's a major ingredient of your. So your recipes has to be well documented and system formatted, right? So that the trainings can be given to the other people to make the same dishes, right? And have the same level of quality. For that, there are many things goes, but first is the recipe manual. Correct. Third, again, major fundamental points. Once you have these two things correct, is your marketing strategy plan, right? Being a franchisor, you need to market your things in a correct way so that you expand your market. Why you are want to expand your restaurant? To gain the market share. So you being a franchisor, you need to market it well so that your target market increases, turnover of your restaurant also increases, as well as your franchisee restaurant also increases, right? So there has to be well drafted marketing action plan to give you the proper manuals to what has to be done in which season, which marketing you will do. For example, now we are having a this is the month of in rainy season. So in rainy season, which food festival will you do? For example, right? What recipes will you change in the rainy season so that you attract more customers? This is how the franchisee business plan has been developed. Correct? Fourth, again the most important, I would always say, because all these points are very important, guys. Right? Fourth is your complete franchisee business manuals and agreements. See, agreements are very important. You should know what agreement do you need to do, right? What are the clauses in the agreement which will protect you? What are the clauses in the agreement which will protect your franchisee, right? So it is very legal document. So please take this document in a very clear way. It has to be well documented, well drafted, well notarized. Many things goes in that, correct? And so that gives you a very clear understanding between you as a franchisor and a franchisee. So it's like in your what we say marriage registration agreements in that way. So you both understand each one very clearly on paper, right? And do it in a right way to expand your franchisee from a single restaurant to a multiple restaurant brand. Correct? Fifth fundamental points, which again comes into it, right, is your organization structure, right? You should have a well drafted organization structure when you are scaling your business. When you're growing from a one restaurant to a multiple restaurant, your organization structure has to be well documented. How many people do you require? What all compliance do you require? Right? How you will document them? How you will monitor them? Correct? All these things are very, very, very important. Correct, guys? So please take a note of all these things. These are very important if you are thinking to franchise your restaurant, if you are have a dream to make your restaurant into multiple restaurant brands, correct? You can get in touch with my team, right? Our teams are available for you to handle you, to take you to that major leap where you can grow your business through our authentic consultations, right? And take your business to the next level through our management fundamentals. Okay. Last point I would like to highlight is that every business success depends on the auditing procedures, how well you audit it. So your franchise, whenever you franchise your restaurant, there has to be well drafted auditing procedure and what level your auditings would be there, what all things you will check, who will check it, right? How it would be documented, how the reports would be generated. Everything, guys, needs to be documented in a very drafted way so that you know if there is any lapses, immediately it is notified till the top management. See, businesses only will flourish if you know the reporting structure well, if you know the auditings are proper, and the end result of the auditing comes to the top managers. Correct? So these are very important. And last but not the least is your financial projections. Whenever you give your franchisee, make sure you always give the financial projections to your franchisee, right? Being a franchisor, it's your responsibility to tell him clearly how much of capital do he need to allocate, what is the ROI of the business, how he will grow, how much profit do can he expect. Everything has to be on paper, dears, right? Then the business grows, then there is a very clear and clarity, and there is a very great growth in the business. Okay, guys. So please follow this process which I openly shared with you. Very important. If you there are many lots more in that which goes into detail, but to begin with, at least have this much, right? And if you are very serious, if you want to scale your restaurant to multiple restaurant brands, and you're serious enough, how I can scale it up, what all things do I need, how I've developed please do consult my team. We are here to help you out, right? And it's our commitment, right? And lots of trust, and we are very much committed because of the trust which we have gained with working with so many restaurant partners, right? So we are always committed to make your brand grow. That's the commitment of the PHR as an organization, right? To make every restaurant grow to the next level through the proper consultations and the proper integrity, trust, and valueness. Okay, guys, have a great day. Thank you.